Today we're going to make another box. I found just a great piece of maple. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I just cut up a piece of maple here, and I'm going to hot glue it onto a waste block. Just kind of wiggle it around in there. Get that all in nice. And we'll just put some pressure on it. Slide up the tailstock. Then I just run a bead around the waste block and the workpiece. Alright, once it sets up, we're just going to go ahead and true it up. I'm just going to set the tenon for the box. I'm just going to come in from the and clean out the lid. Just coming in with a square scraper. I'm just going to clean up the edge right here. But seat down on the tenon nice and even. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and sand up the outside of it. I had to mix up some more of my mineral oil and paste wax, and I mixed that up at 10-to-1. So we'll just turn the lathe back down and sand up the lid now. Just finishing up with 600 here, and then we'll part it off. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and part it off with the hacksaw. Alright. Now we'll turn the tenon down here to accept the lid, and we'll go ahead and finish the top. Alright, once you get the tenon turned down so that the lid will snap on, go ahead and just clean that up. Now go ahead and finish sanding that, and we'll work on the box. Just finishing up with 600. There we go. And then you have your lid that's finished inside and out. I don't know if you can see that, but that's just a gorgeous piece of wood. That's maple burl. And just remember, when you're hollowing out the inside and sanding, that tenon's already set for the lid, so don't sand on it or carve on it anymore. Alright, almost have it all hollowed out, and I just use a round nose scraper once I get down in there and get most of it cleaned out, and you can get back up in the corner a little bit here. And then they do make some hook tools, and this is nice because you can just replace these when they wear out, and it'll bring it right back up in there. You can get it in there and get right around the corner there. So either one of these is nice for getting around the corner a little bit and cleaning that up. Alright, and I'll just go ahead and sand it up. Just remember, stay away from that outside of that tenon. Just finishing up with the 600. Then we'll go ahead and turn a tenon down here and mount it back on. And just cup the bottom out just a little bit so it sits nice and flat. Just finishing up with the 600. We'll go ahead and just polish it up. I had to put a little piece of tape around there. Wasn't staying on, but there we go. Match that green up like that. Alright, I think it came out nice. I like that piece of maple. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.